Alright guys, today I am here with a DIY. I'm going to be showing you how to make your old pants or jeans or whatever into new and cuter pants, so let's get on with that video. Alright guys, so what you'll need is a ruler, piece of cardboard. This is thick, it came off the back of one of my old sketchbooks. I didn't have any cardboard. An X-Acto knife, scissors, and then some sandpaper. And of course, the pants are going to be rigged. So I actually ended up grabbing chalk. It just needs to be able to be visible, so it doesn't matter what color it is. But what you're going to do is you are going to make some lines where you want the hole. Where do I want it? I know I want one down here. Just like that. And however big you want the hole to be. And we'll just start with those. And then what you're gonna do is take your X-Acto knife and first put the cardboard in so that you're not cutting through the whole pair of pants. Let me take these flowers off because they're really bugging me. Alright guys, and then what you're going to do is you're going to cut along where you wanted where you put the chalk lines. Now these aren't jean material, my other ones are jeans, so these are like, I don't know what they are, but they are not jean material, so we'll see like the different outcomes of this. So you can see and then just kind of cut along the inside of the lines as well, so that your hole is made. You don't want to cut it too much because you still want the strings. Let's see. Some people say you have to wash them. I'm going to see if I can get them to kind of show by just going kind of like that. But we might have to throw them in the washer. Well, you can kind of see this bottom one now, so we'll move on to the other one. Take the cardboard out. Alright guys, now with the jeans, I think I'm going to do 2 on each leg. So we're going to start right here. First one I want is like up here. I already put the cardboard in. But then you do the same thing. Guys, this is an easy way to upgrade your jeans for back to school. Say they got a little worn. So you can see it doesn't look, the knee is kind of getting a little rough on these because I did wear them all summer and did all those activities. say if you want to do this but you don't have a pair of jeans, you want to do it, I would suggest going to a thrift store and getting them. Do not buy new jeans that don't have holes already in them to do these, just because that's kind of... Alright guys, so here's the black pair. They didn't really rip the way I wanted them to. I might wear these, but this rip got like really long and stuff, and then this doesn't even really show, plus it didn't do like the stringy thing. It kind of did right here, but so they're just kind of like rips. But I'll show you the jean pair next, so let's go to that clip. Alright guys, here's the jean pair. So I did a rip up here. It didn't do like anything. Let me get closer. When I washed it, it kind of did a little bit, not really. The one on my knee kind of ripped. I'm wondering if I wear it a little more, if it will do more strands. I did try cutting it a little more. Then this one just ripped completely when I washed it. Guys, I think these were a fail. Epic fail DIY. But I might wear these again. I'm just not sure about this one. Like these ones, yes, I can wear, but like this, like, I don't know, maybe. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. Yes, it was an epic fail DIY, but sometimes that happens. So stay tuned for the next video coming out this week. It should be out on Wednesday for another Weird Wednesday. Hope you like this video. Bye. See you next time.